After school, the Brite Star kids visit the Brite Star pet store. They come in excited to help me take care of the animals. Today we're helping by sweeping the floor. I hand a small broom to one of the kids while the others watch with eager eyes. Clean floors help everyone stay safe. When we clean up, the store feels nice and the animals like clean spaces too. The kids start sweeping slowly, making sure to get all the little dust and crumbs on the floor. They work together, laughing and chatting as they sweep into a small pile. Together, they carry it away, helping each other along the way. Being responsible means helping every day. Doing our best makes us feel proud. Once they finish, the floor looks so clean and bright. The kids stand proudly knowing they did a great job. The animals move calmly around them, enjoying their clean space. Great job helping today, Brite Stars. Thanks for being responsible and taking pride in your work. Every little effort counts, and you all did wonderfully. Remember, keeping our pet store clean is important for all our furry friends.